Morning everybody. Right, so a few people have been asking how much can you fit into your Donna May makeup bag. So I'm going to show you, okay? Right, so let's look at the silver one first. Gorgeous silver metallic one with our lovely lip pendant. Right, so in this bag there is 26 products, normal size makeup products, okay? And that is what it looks like. Right, so I'll just show you. You can fit so much into these, it's unbelievable. Right, so you know, all lays flat, 26 makeup products in there, okay? See everything absolutely clearly. That's mainly my Code 8 makeup that I love. So you've got foundations, powders, lipsticks, mascaras, pencils, everything. What most people would have, okay? 26 items there. Right, close that up. There you go, that's what that looks like. This one has got 42 items in. This is my everyday makeup bag. So I'm just going to show you. So this is the size still. 42 items, nearly double the amount. Da, da, da. Okay, right. So this one is ram-packed with loads of stuff, okay? And I've even got my little pouch in there with all my red lips in. I've got my little purse with my tweezers and bits and bobs in. I've got hair colour. I've got moisturiser. I've got a mini mirror, all sorts. So that's got 42 items in. There's not many people, unless you're a makeup artist, who's got that many in their own personal makeup bag. So, and this holds it absolutely fine, okay? So that's that one. It's the vegan ones, okay? Then I was going to show you the signatures. I feel like Peter Pan. This is one I made, not Peter Pan, Blue Peter. This is one I made earlier. Ta-da! So I just got these out to show you because I've just been to the Scilly Isles to see Sarah, my business partner, and I always use the signature bags when I travel because they are like squishy. You can push them into the suitcase. So I'm just going to show you how much you can fit into these. So you know that's the size of the bag when it's laid flat. Yeah. So it looks gigantic, doesn't it? And it comes in the tiny little pouch like this, or this one like this. And in the pouch, I always use that for different things, but this is all my swimming stuff because I'm a bit nerdy about keeping things separate. So this is like all my swimming stuff. So all of that there can fit into one of these tiny little pouches, okay? Yes, I do wear a swimming hat, not to keep my hair dry, but to keep the hair out of my face. I use a mini black one for my hair products. They're all in there, look, like that. So the pouches are brilliant for these. You know that it comes in the lovely blue, gorgeous colour. And then, for example, you can fit just as much in these bags. This is one that I use for my makeup kit all the time, my professional kit. And this is just all concealers actually, but you can see I've got palettes in here. Palettes as well as tubes and creams and all sorts. So there's probably about 30 items in that one. And then the good things about these ones are you can bung them in the washing machine. Everybody loves things you can throw in the washing machine. The vegan ones are super easy to wash as well. I've done a video on how to wash these. Really easy, just need wiping down. And then this one, the pink leopard print. In here I've got all my pink lipsticks. I like to put things in categories, you know, we like to be organised, don't we? So this one is one, and again, there's a palette in there just to show you how much you can fit in there, okay? And that is full of about 30 lipsticks in that one. So yeah, I mean, you could still get more. There's 41 items in this one. There's still more room to put more in if you want to. Depends how much makeup you've all got. But look, that's, I mean, really nice size. All those makeup addicts out there to keep everything together. Just the fact that you can see, so we're not opening like that and we're not going, oh, I can't see this, I can't see that. You just open flat. Look at that, open flat. God, genius, isn't it? Genius. How do we survive without this? How do we ever survive without that? Just going, right, now I can see everything. Time saving, mess saving. What more do you want? And it looks good on your dressing table. There we go. So I hope that helps everybody that was asking about how much you can fit into your makeup bag. The short answer is loads. Or as little as you want. See you later. Bye.